you the best agent in your market? Most agents I talk to would say yes, they are. And it's not an ego thing, it's the pride they take in their work that pushes them to provide better service than other agents. I would go so far to say that in a highly competitive industry like real estate, you need to believe you are the best, or else why do it? Hey, this is Syed Mohsin, a residential real estate broker, team owner, and founder here at Real Estate Sales Machine Academy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe below to get insights on how to grow your real estate business. Now, think about your clients. You do this stuff every day, but most people only move a handful of times throughout their lives. Buying or selling a house is a big deal to these families and individuals, financially and emotionally. So the way I see it, they deserve nothing but the best representation. And we have already established that's you, right? You still with me? Let's recap quickly. Consumers deserve the best representation when making such a monumental move. You're the best solution to provide it. Only one problem. Do they know that? Unless you have a very powerful marketing presence, chances are they don't. So how do you connect that missing link? Simple. Notice I didn't say easy, you make your phone calls. The moral of the story, if you truly believe that you are the best, you have an obligation to pick up the phone and connect with people. Make it your priority. Call your database and go beyond. Put this up on your wall. The consumer deserves you. So make your calls. The next time you don't feel like making your calls, remind yourself that if you don't, you are leaving your neighbors exposed to lesser quality care and service with their single greatest asset. Not to mention setting yourself up for that painful regret of seeing another agent's sign pop up in your market. Today's consumers deserve more. Today's consumers deserve you. Make your calls. And as always, if you find this content useful, make sure to like and follow my page and check out my other videos for more insights to grow your real estate business.